Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee gift, full guide. Gather ingredients and a heavy saucepan to melt sugar and butter, and prepare a lined baking tray. I will walk you through precise temperature cues, simple stirring techniques to avoid burning, how to test for set, and quick chocolate tempering tricks. We will also cover cooling, cutting clean pieces, and creative packaging ideas so your homemade toffee looks as good as it tastes. Start with medium heat and combine sugar and butter until fully melted and unified, then bring to a steady simmer. Watch the color change slowly and use a candy thermometer to reach the right stage without guessing. Stir gently but continuously to prevent hot spots and burning, and don't rush the final moments where flavor develops. I'll describe the exact sensory cues to look for so you can stop at perfect toffee every time. After pouring, let the toffee cool just enough to accept toppings, then add chocolate and quick sprinkles for texture. I'll show a simple way to chip or cut the toffee cleanly without shattering or melting your hands. For gifting, choose airtight tins or parchment wraps and label with a short note about flavor and storage. These steps keep your toffee fresh and presentable for friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.